Hey, I'm behind you! Look over here! Swipe in this area to look around. Now, let me explain the party voucher exams. See that last platform over there? Your goal is to get there. Don't worry, I can help answer any questions you may have.
Check out my antenna.
Okay, it's about time we get moving. Drag the joystick on the left to move around. Tap jump to jump onto the platform. Tap jump again. Tap charge to hit the ball into the goal.
Eggy.
Swipe in this area to look around. After jumping, tap charge while you're in mid-air to fly forwards.
Check out my antenna.
Tap roll to break through the obstacles. A deviled egg is here to crash the party.
Gold. Cha-ching.
Tap grab to lift the box. Tap grab again to throw the box you're holding. Wow, you got your party voucher! Sign your name here!